the alarm menu here. So the brown wire is for the direction light, which is indicators. Let me show you those wires. So this is the brown wire, 1 2 for indicators. Another thing, we have the orange one. The orange, white, yellow, orange, black, white, black, yellow, black is for central locking. So let me show you those wires. We have orange, we have yellow, white, we have orange stroke black, we have yellow stroke black, then we have white. This is for central lockings. Then we have the red wire, the black, that one we have already identified. Then we have blue stroke black, track release, this one. We have blue stroke white, this is for track release. Then finally we have for siren, this is the siren wire. This is the first socket. The second socket, we have the orange, red, blue, we have white stroke red. The orange red is for brake switch. So let me show you. Don't worry, this is the small socket. So the orange red, orange stroke red, this one. The orange stroke red is for brake, this is the brake switch. Then we have white red on this, the right, this one, white red on. Then we have blue for door trigger, this is the blue wire for door trigger. Then finally we are done. These are the wire that we are going to connect here step by step. So let's begin. After giving you that few summary, so we are going to start. The first wire is the black one, which is the ground wire. Use that ground wire. Let me show you. See, this is the ground wire. So we are going to use that ground wire. This is the main constant. I'm going to use this one. This is the we normally call the constant wire. So we are going to connect this black wire on the red wire of the alarm, and it has a fuse. So we are connecting the so here we have done 2 wires, ground, then we have power. So we are going to another wire, the indicators one. So those one are brown. Now each indicator has a fuse. Each wire has a fuse. I think you need to put the hazard on like this. Careful. The hazard is working. So one by one. That is the first wire, the right side, and this is the left side. So this is the left side indicator. So the right side indicator. The right side indicator. After doing that, you unmask everything. You mask everything, sorry. Here I think 4 wires you're done with. The brown, the indicators, earth, then power, the constant. So we are going next to the the central lockings, the white ones. So in the central locking, I'm going to show you something which is very important. So when it comes to central locking, we have this one, the yellow ones. So these yellow wires, what we need to do is to make sure this wire up like this, you attach together with the earth wire. Like that. Done with the yellow wires like this. So the white wires are the one we are going to use on the central lockings. So we have the white one and the white stroke black. So the white stroke black is for locking and white one is unlocking signal. So let's do it. To find the lock and unlock signal, the first thing you make sure the tester is on earth, then gently that one lock, unlock, unlock. So those are the central locking wire. So the white wire, that one is the locking signal. So, and those wires, the locking and unlocking wires, come from the driver door where the switch is located. Locking the yellow ones, the red one and the black one. So we are remaining with 3 wires. Which one? We are remaining with 3 wires. So this one, the blue stroke black, is for track release. Track release, it means that you can put this wire on the bonnet section. When the bonnet is on, it indicates. When the bonnet is off, it indicates. So that one we are going to eliminate these 3 wires. So here we are going to eliminate these 3 wires. So here we are done. The one that left is for siren. So we are going to connect the siren. Actually, we are going to eliminate those 3 wires. So here we are done. So we are going to start with the white strip red, which is the on signal. So you have to put the ignition on to identify the on wire. Put the ignition on like this. The vehicle is on. That you put the tester on the earth. Then that is the on wire. Next we are going to the brake wire, the orange strip, red. So we are going to identify the brake wire from the brake pedal switch here. This is the wire, brake wire. When you press pedal, depress. So that's the brake wire, orange strip, red. So that's the brake wire from the brake switch. So in this small socket we have done with the on brake. So we have left with 2 wires, which is the door trigger and the relay ones. So we are going to the door trigger, blue wire. So that one is for door trigger, strip, red. So at the brake wire from the brake switch. So in this small socket we have done with the on brake. So we have left with 2 wires, which is the door trigger and the relay ones. So we are going to the door trigger, blue wire. So look, the test is working. When you press the door trigger, when you press the door trigger switch, disconnect like this. Let me show you. So here we are done with the door trigger signal. So here we are remaining with the only one signal, which is the orange stroke red. The orange stroke red is the relay signal. And there is something very important that I want to show you right now. I'm going to tell you how it is important and how it's not important. So when it's come to relay connection on this type of relay, let me show you the alarm I'm installing. This is the Prestige alarm car system, and this is for non-cutoff. Non-cutoff, it means that it doesn't cut power when you forgot to press the cutoff buttons. So my advice is, when you are installing any alarm in any given vehicle, there's things to avoid. This customer told me that he don't want to use the cutoff relay, so I'm going to eliminate this cutoff relay because sometimes it is very. We are done. The second socket, we are going to eliminate the orange strip red. So we are done with alarm. So the reason why I don't want to install the relay, I'm going to give you the reasons why I don't want to install this is the relay, the cutoff relay, and I don't want to install this one. And before I explain this, we are going back to Siren relay. So if you want to connect the alarm relay, we have 4 wires. We have the alarm wire, then we have the ignition wire, then we have the ignition input, then we have the ignition output. As simple as that. So we are done. According to this vehicle, we are not going to install the relay, the alarm relay, and I'm going to give you the reason why I'm not going to use this alarm. We have the alarm signal, so we are going to install the alarm signal, the LD signal. The alarm signal, we normally call it the LD signal. Then we have the shock sensor. Install, you need to adjust. The shock sensor, that's where we install for good communication. Then we are done. I think we are done almost everything, so we are going back to Siren. This is the Siren, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Let's go. Show you lock. So the next step is to tap everything. I'm going to tap everything. Everything, I think everything is performing perfectly the way it's supposed to be. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Install everything, lock.